Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, luggage rack, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Come take a test drive today.